Oh, yeah, you better believe it. I do love a good blizzard.
I don't suppose you've seen a lost baby Arctic fox around recently?
Oh, would you look at that? I saw the little fella all right. Seemed like she was following me for a while.
I bet that baby fox started following the reindeer's footprints since they make it easier to walk in the snow.
Well, anyway, you just missed her. She took off that away.
Oh, where is she? There!
Over here!
Looks like she's heading back towards the den. Hurry, before we lose sight of her again.
Wait for me!
Wally dear, will you be home for dinner? I'm making meatloaf.
Not now, Mum. I'm on a...
What in the holy world?
Phew! What a ride.
Everyone all right?
Yep, but where are we? That snowball rolled us way off track.
The blizzard's scrambling our maps.
So, the baby fox is lost, and now we are too.
We know the baby fox was heading towards the den, so we should try to head that way too.
Follow me, Kit. I've got a perfect sense of direction, remember? The den is... that way. Was it that way? Or maybe over those hills?
Admit it, Sam. We're lost. And that poor baby fox is still out there somewhere.
Hey, guys! Over here! I think I found some paw prints.
Huh? These definitely aren't Arctic fox prints. They're way too big.
So big that the blizzard hasn't fully covered them up with snow.
Hey, look at that. My feet are exactly the same size.
Wally, these aren't paw prints.
They're snow boot tracks.
Your
snow boot tracks.
Oh, hey, they are.
Based on the amount of snow on them, they're from before we rolled into the snowball. Come on, we can follow them back towards the den.
Hey, look, there's that stump that looks like a tugboat again.
Which means we're very close. I gotta say, Wally, your snow boots might have just saved the day.
They also have great arch support. Whoa! Watch out for that little hole there.
This hole looks fresh, like it was just dug.
And look, fresh baby fox prints. Better see where this leads.
Hey, we're back where we started.
Guess the baby fox was headed back to the den after all. She even dug a new entrance.
Sweetheart, is that you? You're back. Did you find her?
Well, it seemed like she came back on her own, but where is she?
Listen. My baby.
Aww.
I'm so glad you're safe and that you found your way home.
Something tells me that little fox will know her way around this den in no time. Another creature case closed.
Oh, bring it in for Wally. Oh.